Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Izzy. Today I'm going to be showing you the brand new Tupperware whipping mix. Today I'm going to be making my sister's birthday cake. So in here right now, I have all the wet ingredients and I'm just going to start mixing. Now I'm going to add in half of the cake mix. And then put the lid back on. Change it to gear 2 and keep mixing. Now, I'm going to add the rest of the cake batter. Put the lid back on and make sure to keep it on gear 2.
Check it. That looks like cake batter. And all of this is dishwasher safe. So all these pieces come off and go right in the dishwasher. So you don't have to worry about your hand mixer.
Thanks for watching. Bye.